Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're delving into the word gut. It's a word with various meanings, both literal and metaphorical. Let's get started. Meaning. Gut is a noun with multi-plinter patent. 1. Anatomical sense, it refers to the digestive organs inside the abdominal cavity, such as the stomach and intestines, collectively known as the gut. 2. Emotional sense, in a metaphorical sense, gut can describe a person's intuition, inner feelings, or the core of their emotions. 3. Colloquial use, it's sometimes used informally to mean the stomach area. Pronunciation. Pronounce gut as T rhyming with but. Use in a sentence. 1. Anatomical sense. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining a well-functioning gut. 2. Emotional sense. My gut tells me this is the right decision. 3. Colloquial use. He got punched in the gut during the fight. Synonyms. For the anatomical sense, you can use digestive system or intestinal tract. In the emotional sense, you might use intuition or instinct. In the colloquial sense, you can say belly or tummy. Conclusion. That's our exploration of the word gut. It can refer to the digestive organs, inner feelings, or the informal term for the stomach area. Thanks for joining us, and may you trust your gut when making important decisions.